Evaluating a function rule. We're going to evaluate the function of n is equal to negative 3n minus 10 when n is equal to 6. The function rule is right here. Okay? The function of n equals negative 3n minus 10. Whatever variable is in here is what you'll see represented in the parentheses here. Again, this f of n is not part of the solving process. Okay? Let me look at this. There's our function rule. Right now, we're going to take the 6 and substitute it in for n. On this side, it's part of the calculation on the right side. On the left side, it's just saying we're substituting 6 in. It's saying the function of 6. So the function of 6 is equal to negative 3 times 6 minus 10. Well, negative 3 times 6 is negative 18. So the function of 6 equals negative 18 minus 10. Negative 18 minus 10 is negative 28. That means the function of 6 is equal to negative 28. Essentially, when we substitute in negative 6, we're going to get negative 28 out. And the domain is negative 6, the range is negative 28. Okay? So as you can see, this f of 6 is not part of the solution. It's not like you're going to divide by 6 on each side. No. It's just saying that when you substitute in 6, you're getting negative 28. Okay? We look at another problem over here. We have y equals negative 2x squared plus 7 for x equals negative 4. This is like what you've been seeing, right? We have a y, we have an x. Okay, we're going to substitute for x, we're going to get a y out, we're going to have a 4 and a 4. But you can think of it the same way. I could change all these y's to be f of x. Notice it's the function of x now. Because n was over here, it was f of n. But now we're back to using x in the problem, so it's f of x. So this can be f of x is equal to negative 2x squared plus 7. Now, when we substitute in 4, it would be f of negative 4. We'd substitute in negative 4. So negative 4 squared is 16. So the function of negative 4 is equal to negative 2 times 16 plus 7. Order of operations. So now multiply negative 2 times 16, which is negative 32. So the function of negative 4 is equal to negative 32 plus 7. Negative 32 plus 7 is negative 25, so the function of negative 4 is equal to negative 25. That means we have negative 4, negative 25. When we substitute in negative 4, we're going to get the output of negative 25. Dylan made a good point. He said in that first one I wrote negative 6. It really should be positive 6 comma 20. I'm sorry, because we substituted in the positive 6. So it's 6 comma 20.